How to filter DoorDash by dietary preference. To filter DoorDash by dietary preference, you have to use the built-in dietary filters. So go ahead and launch the application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is, from this upper navigation bar, right under what we can get you, find the healthy option. As you can see, once you find it, tap on this and you will find all these healthiest options. Now what you can also do is tap on this restaurant option and then simply open this restaurant's profile. Once you're here, you can choose between vegetarian or even featured options. And if you want to get inner depth information about regarding particular dish, simply tap on it and you will find all the ingredients that are within the dish. And you can find a list of ingredients that are within this dish. And that is how you can use DoorDash for dietary preference. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.